guys, ito quick tutorial lang para sa mga nakakaranas din itong issue din ng auto payment sa GCash. So ganito din yung nangyari dito sa idphoto.com. So ngayon lang yan nangyari sa akin. I mean, just now lang yun guys. Yung screenshot, it's 11:35 PM and then nakuha sa akin na 9:07 PM. So ganitong gawin nyo. Instead na pumunta kayo dito, search nyo yan, you can choose this option naman if gusto mo. Then punta ka dito sa contact us, but the only thing is mas mahirap ka dito i-enter dito sa email nila. So there's an easier way. Press nyo tong link. I'll just send the link below. And lagay nyo yung link. And then get help. Now, dito sa taas, first is you'll press why do I have a charge from SuPay. Ma-replay pa sila nan. And after you message find my transaction details, ang reply nila yan is always the service is abnormal, please check it later. The service is abnormal, please check it later. So para mapa-reply nyo sila katulad nito ginawa ko, punta kayo sa Play Store, download nyo itong Rapid VPN, and then after you open, if may lumabas na trial subscription, press nyo lang yung X button. Huwag kayong magsasubscribe. And then after nyo yan, press nyo dito banda dyan, and select nyo lang United States yung nasa pinakauna. And then once that VPN is ready, balik kayo doon and then find my transaction details. Saka na sila mag-reply na yan. Hingi sila ng email address, send confirmation, and then here in-explain nila dyan. So as you can see, hindi naman talaga ako nag-subscribe to begin with. Bigla lang na kuna ng 8.99 yung GCash ko. So now you have to message I need a refund. So here they will give you two options. So select na lang yung 100%. And then yan lang, wait nyo lang. Mag-i-email lang yun sila, tapos masasend lang sa GCash nyo. So yun lang guys, quick tutorial lang. So God bless.